Hey viewer, it's a custom shape we will create there. Here is the other one we'll use on it. Keep on generating the new shapes. Let's have a design. There it is. After the design there, keep on making these shapes. Let's have some abstraction. I will take that design. There is the that's it.